Hello again. This time it is not the ass crack of dawn, but it is morning. A reasonable time in the morning. And I am going on a hiking trip. Last time I went hiking was 2 years ago in Arkansas, so I'm a bit rusty. I'll insert a bit of that clip here. I'm wearing like my Prince shirt and that's sweaty. I'm not wearing workout clothes. What the heck? Is the rock up here or am I being played again? Because I'm about to smack someone at this point. Oh, listen, this is my first trail, like in years. Oh my gosh, finally. Whew. I'll chill it out with the panting. Oh look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Queen of the motherfucking world. Boy, that was a struggle. A struggle bus. I hate that word. Why did I use that word? But yeah, that was a struggle. Yeah, so I'm going on a hiking trail. Nothing mountainous. It is a 12-mile loop. There's gonna be like a lake from what I saw in the picture, some flowers and like a bridge, but it's Texas. It's not gonna be mountainous. It's not gonna be steep climbs. You know what I'm saying? But to do 12 miles, like right off the bat, after not doing any form of walking or anything in between is not going to be good. I mean, I did have a stint of every other day I walked 3 miles. That was a year or two ago where I had that habit. For me now, I just do Pilates and yoga. So my plan is to do 3 miles and then 3 miles back, because if I did 6 miles and then 6 miles back, it would be like the same thing as the full circle loop, so that'd be dumb. So I'm gonna see in mile 3 where I am and then probably head back if it's like a bit too much. I'm gonna see how it goes, because I literally don't go leisurely walking or riding at all anymore. So this is gonna be a test of strength, endurance, what have you, or even it could just come down to what I feel like doing. So let's go to it. I'm excited about this. And here we are at the hiking trail. I didn't know any of these people, so I briefly chatted with them before I decided to hang back and start filming. Captain's log. Barely even started. Nice views though. This is my outfit. Hey! We're gonna do 12 miles. But at least there's a nice breeze. It's like 70, 80 degrees right now. So we're not even a quarter mile and I'm already winded. Oh gosh. Oh, they give you a heads up if there's a bike.
Hello.
Hi. And there are the bikes. It's funny because you can like peek through the trees and see that there's more trails. This is like a huge loop. So you can see people coming. She had a little dune. That was cool. I appreciate the dune. A bridge. More blue bonnets. Oh. Stopping to look at the flowers. Sad. They're like mission. You have to finish 12 miles. But for me, it's like I want to freaking enjoy the roses. Look at the lake. So pretty. I haven't hiked in a while, so I'm very sentimental when it comes to nature. Nice. It's beauteous. The glory of nature. I don't know why I haven't hiked in like a freaking long while. It's literally high noon, so it's right over there. But the weather's really nice. The breeze is really cool. Bye. Thanks! Bike. Here we have some. Are they dead? Molded? More cacti. Where'd it go? There you are. You're beauteous. Pretty. That was so pretty. That was a huge butterfly. Glorious. I'm not proud. I'm taking shortcuts when I can, because you can see, like I said before, the loops of the continuing trail. And then there's these shrubs that you can easily cut through. And this isn't a mountain, so it's not like if you do that you risk falling off a cliff. So why not? This is something that you see often. This used to be a creek, you can tell, but it's dried up. remember there used to be a creek in Plano, Spring Creek. That was, you know, running when I was a kid. Then gradually over the years, it dried out fully. From then on, came to the realization that all the creeks would eventually dry out. Global warming is real. Obviously. Oh, look, there's another sign. Another bridge. This bridge is the 2 mile bridge. Okay, we went 2 miles. That didn't feel like 2 miles. Okay, then I think I could do this. Okay. Okay. Random rocks. On a Texas trail, well, you see a wheat field. Just wheat. It looks kind of like foggy, like it's very, God, I don't know the word. Aesthetic. And then we have the lake. Then we have more flowers. And then we have more bikes. They have the idea. You bring a portable speaker, or maybe just your iPhone, and you play music. Hey, I did bring my AirPods in my phone, but you never know with service. It can be wonky at night. Either way, another sign's coming up, and here it is. How many fucking miles has been this? Oh, it's just this lakeside prairie. Nice. It's prairie and lakeside. More lines. And just like that, the piece of the hike was over, and it all went downhill from there. Bad news. I realized that my water bottle somehow fell somewhere. We're only a third of the trail, so that's going to prove difficult. But I still have my grapes. That's some form of hydration. But I could already be drinking half of my water bottle right now, so great. It says Cactus Prairie. That's about right. Snake eyes. It's come to that point of the trail. I'm recognizing that I might pass out or something because I'm lacking water. Everyone's gone well ahead of me because I had to actually take a moment. I got really dizzy. I've had something close to heat stroke before, so in order to not pass out, I had to take a second, which helped. Unfortunately, no one's on their phone because I did text, does anyone have water because I'm out? And I need it. But 20 minutes have passed and no one, or like the one person that I know on this trail didn't check. So if you're gonna go on these type of hikes, do a buddy system. And if someone's lagging behind, make sure that you're there or someone is there just in case. I mean, of course, I've gotten lost on a trail on my own before. I'm not lost this time. It's just, for me, I feel abandoned. You can't help but feel sensitive because of that. I'm not gonna lie, for the past 20 minutes I felt very sour and was cursing everyone out in my head. But as luck would have it, my water bottle somehow fell through the cracks of my backpack. So that's just shitty luck. But I'll get through this. Even talking to the camera is making me feel better, so thank goodness I have you, camera. It's still very beautiful. Tied my hair up to get even a little bit of heat up because that is where you can cool your body temperature. If I had the water bottle, I would be putting it for the back of my neck, for example, in order to cool down. But yeah, have my phone on me just in case she does eventually sees it, waits and gives me a water bottle, but I highly doubt it. I got the dynamics of this group very well. They're not about stopping to enjoy the scenery, they're about just getting the miles done. So that's alright, that's your prerogative. But for someone who wants to see the scenery, I'm a bit disappointed in my group members, I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to enjoy this with someone, but no. So, oh my goodness, look at that. Wow, that straight up was like an iguana. That's so legit. Oh, it's cool. Can't say you're not seeing nature. There's a bee literally right by me. Like the bee needs to back off. Oh, there we go. It's still here. It's still here. Could be wrong, but some type of bug is attracted to sweat, so you have to remain calm. But yeah, here we go. I have more energy. It's probably going to wane again. According to my Google Maps, which I double checked, it does seem that we are halfway. Okay, we come to this. 8 miles have passed. Interesting. Here's the rest of this trail. The 12-mile one like we're doing. However, part of me is wondering if I should just do, what does that say, 5 miles? It's like wiped out. Now 8 miles as well. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do, I'll go ahead and do the 12 miles just to finish strong. Might as well. Yep.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!